I'm Jordan. When it comes to protecting your home, smart security cameras are a great way to go. But before you tackle the installation, there's a couple of important things you need to consider. Firstly, take a look around at the most vulnerable spots on your property or any entrances that are obscured, such as windows or doors. Don't hide your cameras. Most unwanted characters consider them a deterrent when selecting a target. Check there's enough light for your camera to get a clear shot, especially at night. If you're connecting multiple cameras and they are in different parts of your home, give them logical names to avoid confusion. And lastly, just make sure your cameras aren't pointing towards your neighbour's property. Once you've figured out the best spots for your cameras, make a plan and you're ready to install.